Hi, my name is Lisa Gutierrez. I'm the owner of Dos Hermanos Taco Truck. We started very, very small, just day by day. One day we'd go out and we would sell tacos, and then the next day we would take that money that we earned and we would go to the grocery store and buy more ingredients. After the first food truck, we were able to get a taco cart, and actually we were serving outside the OSU Medical Center, if you can believe it. And someone came out and they said, "We really love your tacos. How would you feel about serving inside the Buckeye Stadium on game day?" And really, that was one of our first turning points as a really small business. Shortly after that, it's when I met Rick Wolf. Rick Wolf is the director here at the North Market. And I said to Rick, I'd love to put a food truck outside the North Market downtown. He actually said to me, "You know what, Lisa, I would like for you to apply for a space inside the market instead of being outside of the North Market." And that's really how the North Market helped us cure the seasonality of our business. We now had our first brick and mortar space where we could not only employ family and friends just during the summer months, but now year round. From that location, we were able to, again, with the North Market's help, open here in 2020. So when this space was designed, we really wanted to have a place where we could invite the community in to cook with us. We have an opportunity where they can buy the ingredient kits, and our ingredient kits are full of the same fresh vegetables and the same seasoned meats that we use here in the restaurant. So some of our signature items are the tamales. They're wrapped in a banana leaf, which is traditional to where my husband and his brother is from, which is Oaxaca, Mexico. These are the recipes that my husband's family made. So, they're very special to them, and they put a lot of passion into the food. I love being at the North Market downtown because I'm around other small business owners. I mean, that's really what attracted me to that space down there. And then with the help of the market, whether it's marketing or events that they put on, they really make sure that they're able to show the best-in-class merchants that they put inside of the facility. So I really feel it's a good place to start and a good place to finish.